Good morning, you guys. I am up cooking. It's like 12 o'clock. I'm running a little late. I woke up kind of late this morning. I ain't gonna say I woke up kind of late. I was just laying in bed doing nothing. Sorry if I sound like a grown ass man, but I'm in the kitchen right now making me some shrimp with some bell peppers and onions. I need to be able to spice it up a little bit because just eating shrimp by itself is just not working. I need some extra. And then I have my collards going over here that I was supposed to make already, but I told y'all I wasn't hungry last night. And I'm probably not even going to eat this right now. I'll probably eat it later on while I'm at work. I'ma just make me another batch of detox tea for this morning and have me some water. Honestly, I feel like you shouldn't eat, especially when you're in the diet. And I know you're supposed to eat, you know, whenever, but don't eat, y'all, if you ain't fucking hungry. And that's what people be fucking up at. They just eat because they can, or you know what I'm saying, they got time or whatever. And y'all, I like my shrimp to be like sticky a little bit, so I'm waiting on all this juice to burn out or whatever and brown it a little bit. Is my strawberries going to bed? Yeah, these strawberries are done. I'm so sad because that's definitely a snack. And I just think I might have a pickle. These pickles right here, I think I might have some of those. And then I'm about to get dressed for work or whatever, and throw me on, get dressed for work and do my hair. I think I'm gonna wear my natural hair today. My little curly curl hair's getting longer, thank God, because when it gets longer I start wearing it out more. I mean, because I actually got curls right now, but they not, I got curls right now. The main thing I hated was when I had flips, but my hair is growing really fast. I didn't even have that flip stage where it's just not even a whole curl, it's just like a little flip. Oh, I hate that look. But I kind of wore it like as brushed down, as like a like when you wear, like the dudes be wearing waves, that's how I wore brushed down or whatever. And that's what I'm doing, so I'll come back. I ain't really got too much going on today, so I don't want to bore you guys, you know, and I ain't doing shit, so I'm just cooking my little food, about to really do my hair and get dressed for work. I'll see y'all later. So y'all, I haven't vlogged all goddamn day at all, and I just got out of the shower, you know, lotioned up and all of that. I'm about to make me some tea. I wanted to show y'all what tea I was making. I'm about to make me some detox tea. I use the Yoga brand, and I do, at first I was doing 2 packs, but now I'm doing to 3, but I'm gonna do 2 tonight since I'm just getting back into it. And I'm gonna just heat me some water up. But today was very productive today. I got a lot of stuff done. I ended up finding me a TV. I got a lot of stuff done today. I ended up finding me a TV stand and a TV today, so I'm excited. I found me a 50-inch. I'm just catching up on everybody's Vlogtober. On YouTube, I'm just catching it up, and then I actually have some candles burning. This one is, what's that say? Blueberries and cream. It smells really good. I get all my candles from Bath and Body Works, and I have a few of them right now. Let me get my mug out. Y'all see my little mug? It's like a mint color. I got it from Target. It was only $1.99 at Target because I didn't have no mugs at all in my house at all. So hey y'all. It's one of these mornings with me. I'm about to put my breakfast on. I'm having turkey sausage again and eggs, so that's what I've always been having. And then I'm about to cook my chicken right quick this morning because I don't have a chance to cook it last night. And I let it sit overnight and it's completely unthawed. So I'm about to cook it now while I watch Law & Order on my computer. But I know I've ever been making much of a appearance for this daggone vlog thing. But I really didn't have anything to vlog. Last night my AirPods came in. They really dope. I really like those. What else has I been doing? Nothing else really, y'all. Oh, I was trying to figure out what kind of what you call that stuff? I want to do a costume, but I don't know, y'all. I was getting old fashioned over. I think I came across something that I actually like, that I might want to wear for Halloween, because we going to somebody's Halloween party. Don't ask me who's. I don't know. But we supposed to be going to somebody's Halloween party. So I'm gonna find me something to wear for that. I need to pick up my best friend's gift. Probably not pick it up this week. I'll probably pick it up next week. And that's about it, y'all. I ain't been doing much. It seems like every time I get a video, I'm about to cook.